Oh, I love this software. You guys have got to check it out. Subscribers and viewers, this is an awesome product. If you've ever needed to record your screen, I highly recommend you check this out. It is definitely worth your time because I guarantee you will not regret it. This video is going to be about how to record your computer screen on PC or Mac. I'll talk about what kind of screen capture software you need. I'll show you a really good free version that you can grab. And this video will be a tutorial, so I'll show you exactly how this is done step by step. And if you guys need help, I'm always gonna be here for you. All right, links in the description below. Grab the software and let's get into it. We need to grab the software from DigiArtist's site. The application we'll be experimenting with today is VideoProc. I have personally used this application for screen recording before, and I gotta say it works pretty well. Once it's downloaded and installed, the setup is very minimal. We can get to using it pretty quickly. Go ahead and visit the link in the description. I'm also displaying the link up top here. Once you're there, click on the blue free download button. The download shouldn't take long, since the program is under 50 megabytes. After it's downloaded, access your downloads folder and click on the installation file titled VideoProc. Then, click on the blue launch button to start the application. VideoProc has 4 main buttons. Think of VideoProc as a video processing application that will come in handy many times throughout your video creation journey. You may find yourself coming back to this app quite often. The video button allows you to convert the video files to different codecs and file formats. You can also trim and cut the videos for video editing purposes. The DVD button lets you do the DVD rip and DVD backup. The downloader is to grab videos or music directly from websites by pasting the URL. This downloader feature I use almost every week when getting new music or referencing other people's videos. Today, we're going to look at the recorder button, since you want to know how to screen record while gaming or viewing your desktop. The screen button allows you to view and then record your desktop screen. This is how we'll record your gameplay. If you press the webcam button, you can directly record webcam. If you press the screen and webcam button, you can simultaneously record both. Alright, let's test this feature out. We're going to launch Minecraft and screen record, so we can record a short Minecraft clip. This is our Minecraft server. I'll have links in the description if you guys want to join and play together. There's also a link for a Discord server as well. I got a question for you guys. What is your experience with screen recorders? Have you ever used them before? Do you have any other recorders? Maybe you prefer a different one instead? Let me know in the comment section below. What is the main reason you need a screen recorder? Personally, I do a thing called gaming test let's plays where I test a particular laptop on a specific game to see if they run well together. That means a tool like this is very handy. If you press the big red button like I did, it will go from record to stop. I have already initialized the recording. My recordings will all be saved on the C drive in the videos folder. You can always change this if you want. Once you're done recording, press the red stop button. Okay, let's show you around my place. We have a farm and a house that's being held up by a stone foundation. We were trying to go for an Asian castle look. I'm not sure how close we got, but it does seem to work. We also have another giant building with another separate farm. I didn't make these farms, but I hear you have to basically lead the animals to a specific area and then build around them, and eventually they will spawn babies. I assume there's some kind of breeding that you have to do. Inside we have multiple stories, and the higher you go, the more open it gets. You start to see a lot of glass at the very top, and we have a tower with a ladder. You can get pretty great view from up there. If you guys are here for in-game screen recording, let me ask you this. What games will you guys be recording? I'm interested in knowing what you guys are playing. Again, don't forget where your output folder location is, or you'll be looking for your files for a while. Press the open button next to the location area and your file is presented to you. After a quick examination of the file, I realized it was too big and long, so I decided I wanted to trim it from the beginning and the end of the file. I click the cut button after you drag the file into the editing area. You can grab these green markers and adjust them accordingly to trim the sections you don't want. First, you want to view the video to find and isolate the problem areas. Then, once adjusted, press the orange cut button. Once the cut is made, the last thing to do is press done and click run. Running the file actually finalizes the changes to that specific file. However, it creates a new file for you to view. Once the compile is complete, the original is unaltered and can be worked with again. As you can see, you can view our file, and the changes have been made. That concludes how to screen record. Keep watching till the end to hear my final thoughts. So what do I really think about VideoProc? Well, it's a pretty good, no-nonsense software. It's very straightforward. When you turn it on, it just works. I have used other screen capture, screen recording softwares, and they're very complicated. Like for instance, I have used OBS, and when you turn it on, you try to set it up and it just doesn't work. So you're forced to endlessly look through tutorials just to get the thing working. It's really, really tough. But because VideoProc has been made correctly, you're actually able to use it, and everything seems to work just fine, which is why I really, really like it, and really, really recommend you guys check it out because this is a great product. I have used this to record a lot of my gameplay footage in the past, and I gotta hand it to them, it does a really good job of recording it with very minimal impact on the performance of the actual video or game that I'm recording. If there is a particular screen recording application you guys want me to review, definitely let me know in the comment section below because I will definitely review it for you guys. The other thing I really like about VideoProc is that it comes with a few other applications directly inside the actual software itself, like for instance the downloader, which I use all the time when I want to download a specific video or song, which I then sometimes can use in my videos if I'm referencing it. It's just so useful, that downloader. I absolutely love it. I hope they continue to keep integrating it. I hope they continue to have it. It's a great piece of tech. And then it even has the built-in video editor. So after you've recorded your clip, you saw how in Minecraft I was able to cut out the parts where the game was loading. Nobody needs to see that, or the end parts where I close the game. It allows you to tweak the clip and make it useful for you so you can actually use it, so you can actually upload it somewhere. So that will do it for this video. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Cheers.